Expanding on C&K's Switch IQ with a focus on innovation and quality, we have created the world's smallest tactile switches, the NanoT series. The NanoT is the latest of advancements in C&K's full line of micro-miniature tactile switches, which includes our PTS830, KMT0, and KXT3. This series is only 2.2 by 1.7 by 1.65 millimeters for the side-mounted versions, and 1.65 by 2.1 by 0.55 millimeters for the top-mounted versions, giving some versions a 10% smaller footprint than the closest competition. By creating tactile switches smaller again, C&K enables your product to have a world-class user interface with a positive haptic using the minimum PCB space. Despite the NanoT's size, functionalities are not compromised, and the NanoT series offers over 300,000 actuations, a choice of multiple actuation forces, are optimized for easy assembly with either SMT or pin-and-paste mounting, and have an IP67 rating for compatibility with possible PCB coatings or environmental requirements. All of these features make them ideal for the next generation of IoT devices and wearables, like hearing aids, health tracking devices, or sports watches. To learn more about C&K's Switch IQ and the NanoT series, the world's smallest tactile switches, please visit us at ckswitches.com.